everybody, Dr. Nelson here. This is a lesson on how to add and subtract numbers written in scientific notation. All right. The first page of your notes we're going to do together, so please follow along. And then there'll be a chance for you to try a couple problems, and then at the end you can see how you did. All right. So the first problem we have here is 4.6 times 10 to the fifth, and then plus 23,000. All right. Now the secret of doing these problems is you want to convert any numbers into standard form. So here the 23,000 we're all set with, right? It's already in standard form. But the 4.6 times 10 to the fifth, we need to change to standard form. So remember, 4.6 times 10 to the fifth means we have to multiply 4.6 times 10 5 times. So we're going to add some zeros here, so we have enough spaces or places. And now we're going to move the decimal over 5 spots. So here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the decimal is now there. So this ended up being 460,000. So I'm going to write 460,000 above the scientific notation. So now it's just a matter of adding 460,000 and 23,000. So 460,000 and 23,000 will give us 483,000. And there is our sum. All right, let's try example number 2. This time we're subtracting. Okay, 5.2 times 10 to the fifth from 875,000. So again, I'm going to convert 5.12 times 10 to the fifth into standard form. Okay, so that's going to be 5.12. All right, now we need to multiply it again by 10 5 times. I'm going to add a few extra zeros here. So that's going to be now 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is going to equal 512,000. So we need to do 875,000 minus 512,000. And when we do this, we get, let's see, 5 take away 2 is 3. 7 take away 1 is 6. And 8 take away 5 is 3. So we get 363,000, or we could write that as 3.63 times 10 to the fifth power in scientific notation. All right, so on the next page, I want you to try a couple problems, and then when you're done, you can see how you did. All right, good luck. All right, welcome back. Let's see how you did with these problems. Okay, so the first one was 2.8 times 10 to the third power plus 3.5 times 10 to the fourth power. So we're going to transform both of these into standard form. So 2.8 times 10 to the third, so we're going to need to move this decimal 3 spots to the right. So that's going to equal 2,800. And then 3.5 times 10 to the fourth, that's going to equal, so we're going to move over 1 and 3 more zeros, right? So that's going to be 35,000. All right, and then last but not least, we need to add 35,000 plus 2,800. And that will give us 37,800. How'd you do? All right, the second problem, we're subtracting, right? So again, we're going to write these both in standard form. So this one's going to be 5,000. Actually, it's going to be 56,000, right? Yep. Minus, and this one is going to be 2,500. And then when we do 56,000, take away 2,500. It's going to be 0, 0. You got to borrow, right? Make that a 5. Carry the 1. 5, 3, and a 5. So our answer is 53,500. All right. How'd you do?